Introducing Red Giant VFX Suite, a set of tools for keying, tracking, cleanup, and visual effects compositing right inside of After Effects. SuperComp is a compositing environment that makes it easy to create complex, seamless composites. In SuperComp, light and atmospheric effects interact with all of your layers in a far more natural way and with far less pre-composing than ever before. SuperComp includes more than 15 GPU accelerated tools for integrating all of your elements into your final shot. Primac Keyer is a powerful tool for fast automatic chroma keying. Whether you're using a green screen or blue screen, Primac Keyer can often pull a perfect key automatically. The new user interface and cleanup tools make it easy to select and separate your background and foreground. And with GPU acceleration, it's up to 3 times faster than previous versions. Kingpin Tracker gives you fast, accurate planar tracking right inside of After Effects. With Kingpin, it's simple to place signs or objects into a shot, even if they aren't simple rectangular shapes. And with its ability to offset and rotate in planar space, you can pin whatever you want, wherever you want it. Lens distortion makes matching the distortion of your lens incredibly easy so that you can believably composite elements into your shot. Even if you don't know what kind of lens distortion can figure it out in an instant. As you identify curved lines that should be straight, lens distortion quickly solves the lens. Just a few clicks and the job is done. Spot Clone Tracker is a tool for lightning-fast, simple object removal with a built-in tracker for moving footage. Quickly fix blemishes or remove small unwanted items. Spot Clone is easy to use and can automatically match your lighting, color, and texture. Optical Glow is a blazing fast, drop-dead gorgeous glow effect for use in visual effects and motion graphics. It's easily the most beautiful glow you've ever had on your timeline. Chromatic Displacement gives you beautiful prismatic displacement effects with smooth, organic results. Created for use in professional VFX, it's also great for motion graphics. Designed by John Knoll from Industrial Light and Magic, Knoll Light Factory creates camera-inspired, photorealistic lens flares that render fast thanks to new GPU acceleration. Create your own flares from scratch or customize one of the 200 included presets inspired by some of the most iconic films of the past few decades. VFX Suite also includes Shadow, which makes it simple to add a perspective shadow in front or behind a layer, and Reflection, which makes adding reflections to your layers easy. Red Giant VFX Suite. Keying, tracking, cleanup, and visual effects compositing right inside of After Effects.